Let's learn how you can change your dock color on your iPhone. Before we start, I want to tell you that you can't change dock color for any color, but you can just make it more solid. What I meant by that, just follow me and I will show you. So let us open our settings application first. Then you want to go to accessibility and then click on display and text size. Here you will find a reduce transparency option. You want to enable it. And if you go back, you can see that dock color has been changed, so it's like more solid, but you can change it, for example, on blue, because my wallpaper and background is green, So this is the only way. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.